Let me ask you one question. What is the difference between collecting money and investing money? Collecting money means saving cash. You keep it in your wallet or bank. You feel happy because you have money. But the money just stays there. It does not grow. After time, it becomes less valuable. Investing money is different. You use money to make more money. Your money works for you. Let's look at a small example. Two people get the same money, but they use it differently. Someone asks you, "What will you do if you get $1,000? You say, "I will buy an iPhone or something I like." This is not a smart choice because the phone loses value. After some time, it is worth less. A better choice is investing. You can invest the money and let it grow. Investment can be very simple. Learning a skill, starting small work, or saving with growth. Collecting money feels good today. Investing money helps tomorrow. Next time you get money, don't ask, "What can I buy?" Ask, "How can this money grow?" Don't just collect money. Invest it. Your future will thank you.